Environmental Gasket Company, inventor of the patented Fishbone Gasket. You've seen many made-in-China products, but you may have not yet seen the industry leader. By real leader, we mean the largest market share, the highest quality and reliability, the largest customer base, the highest capital investment in the China gasketing market. Now we are going global.
In today's ever more competitive business world, you need a trusted business partner to help you reach your planned performance goals, reduce your total operating expenses, and to help meet stricter environmental regulations.
This is AIGI Environmental. Environmental Gasket Company's mission is to create a safer, cleaner, and more reliable manufacturing environment through integrated pipeline sealing solutions. By integrated sealing solutions, we mean a complete product line including gaskets, fasteners, hydraulic wrenches, spray shields, and other solutions customers' needs for safe and reliable flange. With over 5,000 clients in petrochemical, shipbuilding, refinery, natural gas, potable water, pipelines, and offshore, as well as other industries. By real leader, we also mean innovation. Environmental invented the revolutionary Fishbone Gasket as the ultimate metal gasket to directly operate spiral wound and Kammprofile gaskets.
Innovation is the lifeblood of all successful technology leaders. At Environmental Gasket, it is at the heart of everything we do, from our patented spiral wound gaskets to our new materials technologies. This is why we are so excited about the launch of our new flagship product, the multi-patented Fishbone Gasket. Fishbone Gasket incorporates two unique patented design features which improve upon all existing gasket technologies, creating the ultimate gasket for high-performance sealing and low-emissions application. The gasket's patented stop-step feature prevents overcompression of the sealing surface, ensuring the longest possible service life. The patented helical bevel reinforcement layers create a self-energized sealing surface, which dramatically improves performance over existing gasketing technologies. Because of these patented features, the Fishbone Gasket has dramatically exceeded the performance requirements of the TA Wolf testing, one of the most critically important international tests. At Environmental Gasket, we believe the future of high-performance sealing has arrived, the Fishbone Gasket.
Aside from Fishbone, we also provide a complete line of other types of gaskets, including metal gaskets, disc springs, and a complete line of sheet gaskets. In our 50,000 square meter modern facility, we have world-class equipment and production capabilities. Integrated fastening of sealing solutions, pipe connections. AIGI Environmental also manufactures hydraulic and rotary seals, including split and non-split rotary seals and bearing protectors, hydraulic cylinders, floating seals, hydraulic pneumatic seals, O-rings. Reason, registered trademark of AIGI Environmental, is our advanced sealing machining technology division devoted to developing the technology of seal and see machines, semi-finished raw materials, which include dozens of patented seal profiles. Conforming to ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 standards, we put every product through a continuous improvement process. With modern laboratories, Environmental Gasket Company is one of the few manufacturers in China whose products are certified by API, Lloyd's, and other international agencies. Talented sealing industry professionals work in our R&D headquarters, putting quality and innovation into practice.
Expert sales and service professionals, we can assist you to optimize plant efficiency through the elimination of process fluid leakage. As a trusted business partner, we have one simple goal: help you to improve your plant performance while creating a safer, cleaner work environment. Truly, together we can achieve more.
Environmental Gasket has provided sealing solutions to many of China's famous national projects. After many years of focusing on the Chinese market, Environmental is now going global. And we are doing it with our focus on quality and innovation.